Hello, and welcome to When to Use AI, presented by the Robert R. Muntz Library in the University of Texas at Tyler. Using AI is a privilege and should be treated as such. Check with your individual professors and syllabi to see what they accept or don't accept. Always check your instructor expectations, your course policies, and the institutional guidelines. Now remember, AI is a starting point. It is not the final word. It is a tool that can be very helpful, but it is not a replacement for your decisions or critical thinking. So, when should you use AI? Well, it has great sources for brainstorming, things like idea generation, literature searches, summaries. You can use it to help you draft, creating organization for your outlines, your manuscripts, structured arguments, and identifying logic gaps before you even begin writing. It can assist you in your grammar and also provide writing feedback. You can use it to help create study guides, creating outlines, or helping you to understand what you're being taught. You can even generate possible quiz questions based on the information you input into it. It can assist with coding. So when you're trying to create something awesome, AI can help you code that correctly. It can help you summarize not only your meetings, but complex concepts and even just various research things that you need. And it can also help you translate your tones, making emails more professional or friendly, depending on what you're doing. Now, those are the great uses for AI. But what about those that you should use with caution? Well, research summaries. Sometimes it summarizes that information incorrectly. You should always be hesitant with statistical information and make sure to double check it. Medical information is always hesitant, but it can provide you a starting point. Legal information is also hesitant to use because you need to verify that information before you go off of it. The same thing can be said for financial advice and translating languages, because those translations might not always be correct. Now, when do we absolutely not use AI? Well, you don't want to use it for your final draft or your final citations. Make sure that work is your own. You don't want to use it to create the evidence for your research paper. Emergency medical decisions should not be made using AI advice. The same can be said for legal decisions or inputting confident data like private student information, protected research data, or university-sensitive information. Remember to never upload FERPA-protected information, research participation information, confidential documents, patient information, and don't take what it says on blind faith. It can and will provide false information. And never copy what it generates exactly. That is plagiarism. While useful to give ideas, the words presented in a paper, proposal, presentation, or any format should fully be your own. Now, AI is best when it helps you think, not when it thinks for you. Maintain oversight and human judgment. So, AI generates the options. You decide what to keep. AI explains the concepts. You apply your judgment. AI creates the draft, and you make the edits. AI is going to give you lots of options and lots of information. Keep the best and toss the rest. So remember, think critically, verify carefully, and use AI responsibly. Happy researching, Patriots!